Let us learn about variables now. For example, a equal to 1. In here, you are assigning the value of 1 to a variable. If you run this cell, nothing happens, but it returns the value of a, value of 1 to a here. If you wanted to see what is the value of a, all you need to do is print, open the parenthesis, and a. Here I'm not putting any quotations here because this is not a string. This is a variable. Print a, run it, you get the value of 1. So in the next line, for example, let us give the value of 2 to b. I'm assigning 2 to b here. If I run it, so I have assigned it now. If I want the value of b, what I need to do is print b. I get value of 2. If I say print a plus b, then it will give the result of 1 plus 2, 3. So these are all variables. So it can vary. The value can vary in here, a, b, and I can assign anything. For example, c equals to, hi there, assign this c value to a string. I run it. Now if I say print c, it's going to type in the string value whatever I have given. And here the good thing with Python is it can concatenate between string as well as that. Let us see if it can concatenate. Print a plus b plus c. Let us see. So I get an error which says that int cannot concatenate with string. That means a number a, 1 and 2 can concatenate, can join, but if you cannot join number with text. Okay, we will see in the next lesson now.